Hey, this is a video on multiplying using the standard algorithm. The standard algorithm is what you would have learned if you were a student, in the past, right? Most parents know how to multiply using the standard algorithm. So let's say I take a three-digit number by three-digit number, and it really doesn't matter what the digits are. We're going to do this multiplication, which is also called long multiplication. It's important to recognize that this number, 895, multiplied by 217, is the same as, so this, 895 times 217, is the same as taking the 895 and multiplying it by, let's break down this 217 into parts. So 200 plus 10 plus 7, right? This is 217, so this is really saying the same thing. And if you remember your distributive property, this is the same as 895 times 200 plus 895 times 10 plus 895 times 7. So the standard algorithm is doing exactly this, except it's doing it by lining up the numbers one under the other. So here's the way we do it. We're first going to do the 7 times 895, so that's this. We're going to do that first. So 7 times 895, we work from the right, and we go 7 times 5 is 35. We write the ones digit and carry the tens digit, so carry the 3. Then we're going to go 7 times 9, that's 63, plus a 3 is 66. Okay, so we're going to write the ones digit and carry the tens digit. And now I have 7 times 8, that's 56. Plus the 6 that I carried, that's 62, and I'm just going to write 62 down here. Right now, if you have a calculator, and I don't, so okay, I can't check. Hold on, maybe I can with my phone. So let me use a calculator to just verify that 895 times 7, that I did it correctly. So 895 times 7, yeah, 6265. Okay, so that takes care of the 7. The next thing we're going to do is take 895 and multiply it by this 10. Now, your parents would tell you all you do is you place a 0 here. They probably don't know why you placed a 0 here. And then they say multiply the 1 by everything. Well, the reason they placed a 0 here is because that's not really a 1. That's a 10. We're doing 895 times 10. So we'll put that 0 there, and we'll put the other numbers starting in the tens column, because those are actually tens. So we'll go 1 times 5, that's 5. Notice it's 10 times 5, which is 50, right? That's really what's happening. Then 1 times 9 is 9. Then 1 times 8 is 8. You can check 10 times 895 is 8950, right? So that makes sense. Now this 2 is not really a 2, it's a 200. So I'm going to put 2 zeros so that my numbers are actually times 100. And so my first number that I'm writing is in the hundreds column. So I'll go 2 times 5, that's 10. So I'll write the ones digit and carry the tens digit. Let me get rid of these from before. So 2 times 5 is 10. So write down the 0 and carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus this 1 is 19. So I'm going to write down the 9 and carry the 1. I'm being careful to not get too out of line here with these columns. Then I have 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 1 is 17. So I'm just going to write my 17 here. Now, just like you would when you're distributing, you're going to add them all up. Okay, and so add them all up. I get 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Write down the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. This is 7, 15, 24. Write down the 4, carry the 2. 2 plus 7 is 9, and 1. Take our handy dandy calculator and check. 895 times 217, 194,215. Thanks for watching.